I'm going to walk you guys through how you can upload and record your presentations. We are on our class in Blackboard. We went over to collaborate on our left-hand side. We are now looking at all of our sessions. You each have a session that I've put in for your presentation. So we're just going to use Meg as our example here. We're going to click that. We're going to see over here that we can join this session. And normally this is going to just pop up as a blank screen, but I just uploaded a PowerPoint just so we can show you how to do all of this quickly. You're going to go over to your panel on the bottom right here, open Collaborate panel. You're going to go to Share Content. We are going to go to Share Files. And here, this is where you can upload your PowerPoint. It's going to take a second to convert, so I did this ahead of time. This is what I'm just using as an example. So I'm going to hit share now with that, and it's going to populate on this right-hand side, and I can navigate my slides using that. So once we see that our PowerPoint is all set and uploaded, we want to make sure of a few things before we start recording. So the most important thing for you guys to remember is down here, you have to make sure you are sharing your audio, because if you record your lecture and your audio is not on, there's not going to be anything for you guys to hear. So make sure that you are sharing your audio, make sure that icon turns green, and you are good to start recording. To record, you can do one of two things. You can come up here and hit your record, or you can go to the top left panel and you can go to start recording here. Now, once you start recording, you're gonna see this little icon pops up, and that's how you know that you are actually recording. And once you are done recording, you can do one of two things. You can either hit stop sharing, or you can go back to the top left corner and hit stop recording. That is going to tell you that everything has stopped. You can go back to your top left corner and leave the session. You don't need to fill out any of this stuff, and then you are all set. Now, in order to check your audio to make sure everything sounds the way that you would like it to, you're going to exit out of your presentation. It's going to bring you back to the Collaborate sessions. We go back up to our drop-down menu. We go to our recordings, how we typically do, and you are going to see all of your recordings here. Now, this is the second recording that I actually did under Meg's presentation. So the first one is showing up here. You can go ahead and listen to that. You can delete that, whatever you want to do. It does take a minute for all of your recordings to process. If you don't like a recording, you can go under recording options and you can just go ahead and delete. And you can redo it again. Just make sure you're deleting what you actually want to be deleted. So if you have any questions about how to upload or record, or you're having any issues with doing that, please feel free to email me. And hopefully this was helpful and can help you guys navigate how to do that.